Yes, don't be as ready. Now we they go. Biafra Liberation Army. We are moving. We are moving. We are moving. Come and see with your eye. No jamba ture. Aye, jamba ture. Aye.
Okay guys, we're back again on a new video, and I just want to give you more updates on Biafran Liberation Army activities after Biafran re-declaration in Finland. And I am waiting to see some comment and some attack from those who always claim that PM, Biafran Prime Minister, is the one pushing people to their early grave. That was one of the argument or propaganda they were using. Just like what we have been saying against, Biafrans, against PM, making some utterances that doesn't really matter, because Biafrans are the one doing what they're doing to make sure that they secure their land and prevent, Fulani taking over the whole entire region. And they are not happy with it. So I have this video with other video that I'm gonna share with you. Just like the normal routine of Nigerian security forces, which is, what people regard as terrorism or terrorists, what they do after facing the attack or facing battle, fierce battle with different Liberation Army, after exchanging catapult and gravel and whatever you may call that, when they don't find it easy, they always rush to nearby community, peaceful home, residential home of Biafrans, and decided to bombard those areas in the name of revenging what they have passed through in the hands of Biafran Liberation Army. As you can see here, these are people on ground, and they will tell you they are kidnappers. Does this people look like kidnappers? People who have identity, their name, and their leader, that Biafrans have gathered severally to finance the activities. They are not fighting for their personal gain. Nobody drives joy in carrying a catapult and protecting land. Nobody will say that is their hobby. But after if you know, you know. And this is not to call for war. I always emphasize on that because I know most of you, you are preaching for war. This guy is calling for. I'm not calling for war. I'm fast. I am not even in support of war or crime or any crime at all. Killing people is not good. Okay, so anybody telling you that defending your land or fighting for your freedom is a call for war is lying to you. That person actually he's the promoter of war. Do you understand? So I'm not here to tell you, but I don't to tell you anything. I'm here to tell you that people that are supporting them or financing them know what they're doing, and you yourself should accept that fact, because there's no other way to explain it to you for you to understand it. Anyway, we have other things to show you on this video.
Many houses collapsed today. Cracked many buildings. Nigeria government if you are jide bomb. Barisienu na numbers. Barisienu na Nigeria fighter jets. Bravia. Everybody see my job in the mother. My primary school. Ebenina, near bomb Barisienu today. Why are you start up the 2nd of December? Haji fighter jet Webia. When you was in the mother numbers. Near bomb Merena, Cabo, launch a cabra. Correct bomb cabra. Over many houses collapsed today. Cracked many buildings. Nigeria government if you are jide bomb. Barisienu na numbers. Barisienu na Nigeria fighter jets. Bravia. Everybody see my job in the money. My primary school.
Now you have heard it all. The question is, you, Emeka Gift, and rest of them, do you think that this thing that most of you are doing on social media, that when the government, Nigerian government want to, when they bring the war, like they are bringing it now, you think that what is happening here will not affect you and your family? It will, right? This is why it's not as if you if they care about what I say on social media. They don't know the owner of this house. Maybe they do through the help of you guys. You understand? Maybe they do. But what I'm saying is that war or bomb does not know who is a DOS and who is not. In a one game, Matana, next thing that may happen to you could be something like this. Bomb in a country where they claim that no, we are one. This is not the first time, more. So for you to see the reason why Biafra has been declared, so that it will be official. Because not when they throw the bomb, when you ask them, they say, oh, because we know that there's a separatist group here. Well, there's no separative group or whatever they call that here, but they're throwing bomb from on air. And this is not the first time, like I said. It's just that Biafra Liberation Army has been the one preventing them. And mind you, that what they're doing now is a way of kind of pushing Biafrans to start having a conventional warfare, which is not what Biafran government and Biafrans actually want to go into. They want to go face them through guerrilla warfare, which may last long. And no, it doesn't matter if you keep on yapping on social media from now to the kingdom come, it will not solve any issue. And people that claim they're historian should understand that nobody, no country on the surface of earth have actually gone, choose to follow, to engage anyone or opponent using that means of guerrilla warfare and they just back off. No, it always linger to until both parties will come together and say, look, let us discuss this, let us sort ourselves out. And that is what I expect from Nigerian government, so that you will not lose, black people will not lose people, because others are pursuing people, and you are in Africa, you also pursuing yourself. So it's always good to have one-on-one discussion and find out a way to solve the problem. But you see all this one side judgment when you buy people from this area, and people should understand, because that is a government of assignment. And when people reiterate or trying to reply, it will become a crime. That is not how it works. So people should understand that it doesn't work that way.
Just now. Just now.
Okay, I don't know what is who is behind this, because this one does not look like a Biafran Liberation Army. I just want to comment on that because what I can see here is a group of people that decided to take this kind of action, probably to paint Biafran Liberation Army bad, which I've been told that what the people who are fighting from the other side, what they normally do is that they would look for a way to attack innocent people, to make people to feel that you people that are defending you are the one committing the crime. Because why must they single out this vehicle and burn it down? It's either they are the person that own the vehicle may be a threat, or people who carry these activities, this action, who carry this attack, or who say this car ablaze, could be from the people from the other side. You know what I mean by that? They are the one that, because they've done it in the past, so that people will say, oh, it's you guys, and how can you be fighting for Biafra and you are burning your brother's car? You understand? Anyone, anywhere you see Biafran Division Army, they always tell you that we are here. I know that after making the video, some of them will start using that. We are Biafran Division Army. Why committing a crime? Why committing crime? Go and check the activities. It is always well defined. Anyway, my people, I don't want to make the video to be too long. I just want to share this with you. Tell me what you think about it, and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Comment. Tell me your own opinion on this. Very, very important. God bless you.